I'm going to show you in this video how can I add Instagram shop app on Shopify. So I won't waste any second. I'll just jump right in this video. So you're just going to have to head over to settings here and then just click on apps and sales channels. Then here we'll see all the apps we installed. But as I said, we want to install Instagram shop app. So we're going to click on Shopify App Store. By the way, these are all the apps I have installed, and I can delete some of them from here, 3 dots, and uninstall. And I can click now Shopify App Store. Here in the search bar, I'll write Instagram app. And here we have the Instagram apps, Instagram shop. Just write Instagram shop feed, Instagram, Facebook Meta shop. So yeah, we have a lot of Instagram shop apps. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments section. If you have more questions about Shopify, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.